In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could force shut down an iPhone 13 Pro Max. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. There's two methods to do this depending on whether your iPhone is responding or completely frozen, and we're going to be going over both. But if your iPhone is still working and you don't want to use any buttons, go ahead and open up your settings, and once you open up your settings, you're going to see a general option on here. Essentially, open that up and scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll see a shutdown tab. Select this and you're going to see a slide to power off option. Slide it all the way to the right and your iPhone will turn off. Once the screen goes completely black, turn it back on by pressing and holding the power button till the Apple logo does appear. If your iPhone is completely frozen though, whether it's on an app or the home screen, you're going to need to force restart it. To do this, just press and hold down on the power button and ignore anything that appears on the screen and just keep holding it down. After a few seconds, the screen will go completely black and the phone will force restart. From here, you're going to see an Apple logo appear as it turns back on. This is when you're going to release that side power button. And that is it. That is how you could force shut down an iPhone 13 Pro Max. If you did find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this, so we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you did have any questions, once again, just ask them down below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.